This video starts off with the Dynaset HRVB hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket. This attachment is made specifically to assist excavators and backhoes to collect and sort light waste materials, especially in recycling tasks. Thanks to the hydraulic power of the machine, it can create a powerful vacuum that sucks the lightweight debris. It is also complete with a function that sorts the light waste like plastics, insulation wool, and wooden planks. This makes the recycling tasks in different sites significantly easier. Who said only the field of construction needs heavy machines? Even the farm fields need them too. Introducing the CR400 self-propelled tracked harvester, a machine designed to harvest root vegetables like parsnips in a very efficient way. This harvester has a tracked design which allows farmers to easily navigate even the most challenging terrains like mud and loose soil. It also has the capacity to loosen and remove soil from the harvest to make the cleaning process easier. Still in the topic of harvesters, this is the E7000 self-propelled harvester made to harvest nuts like almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts in an efficient and dust-proof way. This self-propelled machine uses a combination of features to minimize dust creation during harvesting. This includes a cleaning chain with a large cleaning area, a variable speed cleaning fan, and a system that scrubs dust from the discharge. If you wonder what the future transportation looks like, the AXL fully autonomous conceptual truck is a good visualization. What makes this futuristic is the complete absence of a traditional driver's cab, because this machine is fully autonomous and functions with the help of advanced sensors, cameras, and software. This machine is designed to assist in controlled environments like mines and large construction sites. A fully autonomous machine would mean that lesser manual labor is needed in the site. This also means that safety in these sites are increased because human involvement and errors are avoided. Since this truck also works on its own, this also leads to an increased efficiency in hauling operations. Apart from that, this machine also uses sustainable power by incorporating a renewable biofuel-powered internal combustion engine. This is truly a vehicle ahead of our time. The process of decomposition is usually assisted by machines and mechanics. An example of machines that do this is the Comptech Top-Turn X, which is a machine specifically designed for windrow composting. This machine is capable of turning windrows of compost material using a large drum and scraper bar. These parts of the machine facilitates the mixing and aeration throughout the pile. Next up, this is the Slag Taurus, and it is a heavy-duty machine designed specifically to transport slag in steel mills. This vehicle is made specifically to ensure a safe transport for materials like molten slag. It is equipped with a slag pot carrier that allows the slag to be emptied completely. Thanks to its sleek design, this machine is best for narrow spaces and can be used to replace railway transportation in tight areas. Let us venture to a bit of a different route. This is the top cleaner from van der Waai, and it is known to be one of the most efficient automated greenhouse roof washing machines. It is designed to clean greenhouse roofs efficiently and safely, even those that are considered large-scale. To do this, this machine uses high water pressure from rotating nozzles. This is very effective in removing dirt, dust, and algae buildup that can impede sunlight penetration, meaning the plants inside this structure receive adequate nutrition from the sun. Moving forward, this is the 772 GP motor grader, which is known to be a powerful and productive six-wheel drive grader designed for various construction tasks requiring precise leveling, cutting, and material handling. It can handle all these challenging tasks with the help of its powerful 260 horsepower engine, even when it weighs around 44,570 pounds. The machine has an articulated frame that allows the front wheels to turn sharply, providing excellent maneuverability in tight spaces often encountered on construction sites. Cool, right? Now, let us take a look at the RT120 Modern Forest Mulcher, which is a heavy-duty forestry machine designed to help in land clearing and tree grinding operations. It can tackle materials with different sizes from stumps, bushes, and even trees. All it requires is to be attached to a 3-point hitch of a compatible tractor so it can be operated. This machine has been very helpful when it comes to clearing overgrown land or preparing sites for construction or development. Coming up next, this is the S500 tracked carrier, and it is unique because it works with the Ditcher OJK 1.12 to become one of the most powerful solutions for trenching and excavation projects. This is a usual ditcher that uses a chain or wheel with digging teeth that rotates to cut through soil and effectively create trenches. Next up, this is the disc trencher, called the T35.B 3-row trencher, and it is one of the favorites of professional contractors that are mainly deployed in larger sites. Unlike usual trenchers, this machine uses rotating discs instead of chains with teeth to cut through soil. This type of design is seen to be more efficient and can even deal with wider trenches in a single pass. This machine is made to handle various soil types encountered in forestry or land management projects. Let us move forward to the Wirtgen W250i. This is a high-performance cold milling machine designed for tough jobs. Thanks to its 2 diesel engines that can be operated independently, what makes this special is its maximum milling depth of 350 mm, which means that this machine is capable of milling asphalt up to 14 inches deep in just one go. Dealing with manure can be one of the most challenging tasks. Good thing, we now have the Bazooka Farmstar Wolverine agitation boat. This is an impressive beast, meant to agitate large volumes of liquid manure in lagoons. To work, this machine is equipped with 2 powerful propellers that help agitate the manure at high velocities. It does its job well to the point that it can turn over 10 million-gallon lagoons 3 times in just a span of 21 hours. Plus, this is also at a rate of 24,000 gallons per minute. Then we also have the HTH 625C 360 from Waratah. which is a high-performance harvester head designed for felling and processing medium to large trees. It is such an impressive harvester since it can handle even trees that are up to 81 centimeters in diameter. It's all thanks to the machine's powerful feed rollers and twin lower D-limb arms. One more to thank for is the rotator grapple that enables a more efficient way of stacking the processed logs and minimizes wasted movement during operations. Let us now move on to the Traco Mini-dozer M27, and it is known to be one of the most impressive remote-controlled electric mini-dozers. This machine has a width of only 28 inches, and its frame is also adjustable, which makes it very ideal for confined spaces. On top of that, this also boasts of its ability to work in a quiet and emission-free state while maintaining safety for both the surroundings and the operator. Coming up, this versatile crawler truck designed for trenching applications is known as the Mastenbroek CT12. This machine has a suspended and oscillating undercarriage that minimizes ground pressure even when it is used for pipeline and drainage projects. Productivity is also increased thanks to the adequate travel speed of the machine as well as its tipping hopper that functions like a dump truck. This means that aside from its mentioned features, this machine can also efficiently place backfill material into trenches. When it comes to mowing extremely steep areas, the LV800 Pro Slope mower is worth mentioning. It is equipped with a 61-inch forestry head that mulches vegetation as it mows. It can handle materials ranging from heavy brush, vegetation, and even trees up to 8 inches in diameter, on slopes up to 55 degrees. This machine is able to do all these with the help of its 75 horsepower diesel engine, good enough to power through even the most challenging tasks. Innovation is seen evidently through the existence of the M201 remote-controlled crawler. This is a tracked machine designed to accomplish tasks in landscaping and municipal applications. But what makes it different from other similar machines is the fact that this unit is a remote-controlled one. This beast you see on screen is known as the largest bulldozer manufactured by the company CAT. Powered by a 899 horsepower CAT C32 engine with ACERT technology, this is also known as the most powerful bulldozer in the company. It is truly a dozer built for the most demanding large-scale earth-moving projects. This dozer was built to push massive amounts of material. In fact, it has a pushing capacity of 45 cubic yards of earth. This is the AR2 Amphibious robot, and it is a machine capable of seamlessly transitioning between working on land and in water. No matter where the project may be, whether it's on wetlands, rivers, or other challenging environments, this machine will go through it with such ease. Since it works with hazardous environments, manufacturers made sure to make this a remotely operated machine. This ensures the safety and welfare of the operator without sacrificing the productivity and quality of work. The AR2 is equipped to collect various types of data depending on the mission. Now, this beauty is the SK487 AT3 City Boy, which is a mobile crane from Spearings. This machine is a beast when it comes to high levels of maneuverability and versatility, making it ideal for urban environments with tight spaces. In fact, it is so compact that it only has a width of just 2.55 meters and a total length of only 13.08 meters. One of its outstanding features is its all-wheel steering and a crab steering function, which makes it extremely agile even in small spaces. Cool, right? The John Deere 1270G harvester is a wheeled machine built for felling trees in forestry applications. Power and smooth operation are provided by its 190 horsepower engine and hydrostatic mechanical transmission. This is an 8-wheel drive setup for off-roading and can be fitted with different John Deere harvester heads according to the task at hand. The 1270G prioritizes operator comfort with a climate-controlled cabin, ergonomic controls, and an air suspension seat. This machine is suitable for thinning operations, clear-cutting mature trees, or salvage logging after damage. The Menzie Muck M540 is a 12-ton beast of an excavator built for conquering challenging landscapes. Its hydraulic legs and 4 wheels combine to provide stability on hills and rough terrain. The machine's 115 kilowatts Deutz engine offers power for digging, lifting, and other operations, and the all-wheel steering lets it maneuver in confined locations. The M540 is adaptable for a range of excavation requirements, with a horizontal extension of over 8 meters and a digging depth of over 5 meters. Its actual power is found in its versatility. With buckets, grapples, breakers, and other attachments, it may be used as more than just a digger. It can also be used as a demolition tool. The Boltec M10 and E10 from Epiroc are mechanical rock bolting rigs designed to reinforce medium-sized to large tunnels. They can both handle different fastening techniques, bolt types, and mesh configurations. For single or multi-bolt installations, they provide amazing automation features that improve productivity and safety. A calm, ergonomic cabin puts the comfort and safety of the operator first. Although there are differences in specifics, the E10 is probably bigger and might be more powerful than the M10. In civil engineering, mining, and building operations, these devices are perfect for strengthening tunnels. When it comes to fixing potholes, the Pothole Pro is revolutionary. Pothole cutting, cropping, and cleaning are all done by one machine, saving additional labor and equipment requirements. It only takes 8 minutes to complete what used to take forever. Pothole Pro also establishes a solid basis for patching, reducing the likelihood of those bothersome potholes resurfacing. With 4-wheel steering for improved control and 360-degree cabin view, safety is also a top emphasis. Additionally, it reduces the risk of injuries by doing away with the requirement for jackhammers. The Pothole Pro is a strong and effective instrument that helps road maintenance teams save time and money. It is controlled by an easy-to-use remote control. For the purpose of loading milled peat, a fuel or soil additive, the HK16.5 MSS is a small machine. Because of its compact size, it is ideal for fitting through narrow gaps in peat processing plants. Compared to steel wheels, rubber tires offer a smoother ride and may cause less damage to the ground. For convenient commuting between workplaces, the HK16.5 MSS also has a road mobility kit. All things considered, this apparatus is a productive and room-saving way to load milled peat for a variety of processing uses. One of the most reliable machines for producing sod peat is the Meri-Peat PK1 SLR12. Peat bogs are cut into neat blocks by this equipment, so they may be dried and used as building materials or fuel. The peat is fed into an extrusion machine after it has been chopped, where it is formed into homogeneous sods for handling ease. A choice of 3 extruding unit types allows for customization according to the required shape of the sod. Meri-Peat equipment is designed to meet the needs of peat manufacturing plants. Large building sites can benefit from the powerful Liebherr 37X XT truck-mounted concrete pump, which is designed for this purpose. It is perfect for tough projects like high-rise structures because of its 4-section boom, which can reach a height of 121 feet. By spreading pressure away from the chassis, a special outrigger system maintains the truck's stability. With its pivoting outriggers that allow it to adjust the boom around obstacles, the 37X XT has more flexibility. Up to 185 cubic yards of concrete may be delivered every hour by powerful pumping. The Jan de Nul Group's environmental-friendly trencher is an award-winning machine designed with a focus on minimizing harm to vulnerable coastlines. While details are scarce, it likely uses special features to reduce noise and seabed disruption during cable burial projects in intertidal zones. This innovative trencher excels at shallow trenching, needing less seabed disturbance compared to traditional methods. It's a champion for sustainable cable burial technology. High-production mining operations require machines that can keep up with the operation's demands. One of them is the 6040 hydraulic mining shovel that weighs around 446 tons. This machine not only boasts of its fast cycle times and high digging forces that result in 4,000 tons per hour peak productivity, it also takes pride in its target design life of at least 60,000 hours. Liebherr also contributes to the scene of impressive machines with its R9800, an excavator designed for large-scale mining operations. With its weight of 810 tons, this machine has a working capacity of up to 240 tons. It is equipped with two powerful diesel engines that offer a combined output of close to 4,000 horsepower. This means that it can move huge amounts of material in a short amount of time. In fact, it only needs as little as 28 seconds to load 45 cubic meters of material. Next up, this is the EcoVolve electric dumper, which is a zero-emission, compact, and highly maneuverable machine designed for various tasks, especially in tight spaces. Its hauling capacities can range from 800 to 1,500 kilograms, but even when the loads are heavy, they produce no fumes or harmful emissions, making them ideal for indoor or environmentally sensitive workplaces. Let us take a look at another impressive machine. This is the Trom 8 mulcher. This machine is designed to assist workers in different heavy tasks that would be too hard to do manually. This machine is powerful enough to shred and chip wood debris, bush, and small trees. With its power and capacities, it can help in planting or managing vegetation growth. Coming back to Liebherr, this is another machine from their excavator line, which is the R9400 mining excavator. It weighs around 441 to 450 tons and is known to be a true giant in the mining equipment world. It offers a choice of a high horsepower diesel engine meeting emission standards or an electric drive system. This also has a standard bucket capacity of 22 cubic meters that contributes to minimal cycle times. Now, let us take a look at the Bagger 293, which is known to be the world's tallest terrestrial vehicle, according to the Guinness Book of Records. Its height reaches around 96 meters and can stretch up to 225 meters. But if you think this intense height affects its performance, that is not the case. Even with its dimensions and a weight of 14,200 tons, this machine is still surprisingly maneuverable. This machine is a giant bucket wheel excavator, specifically designed for open-pit mining operations. Now, these are bucket wheel excavators, and they are famous for their title as the titans of the mining industry. What sets them apart from traditional excavators is the fact that they have a massive rotating wheel with buckets attached to its circumference. As the wheel spins, the buckets continuously scoop up earth and deposit it onto a conveyor belt running alongside the excavator. They are capable of removing large amounts of overburden lying above the coal seams at such high rates. If they are equipped with conveyor belt systems and other tools, their productivity can be increased even more. Then, this is the T655 trencher from Vermeer, a machine built for excavating trenches because of its multiple attachment options. This machine is designed for tough jobs, like trenching in rocky or frozen ground, but it can also deal with tasks like shallow trenching in soft soils, especially in pipeline installation. The T655 can reach impressive digging depths of up to 8 feet too. Very impressive. The New Holland Agriculture TK4 tractor is a powerful and versatile machine specifically designed for working on slopes, uneven terrain, and in orchards and vineyards. Unlike wheeled tractors, the TK4 utilizes tracks instead of wheels. This provides superior traction, stability, and maneuverability on slopes, wet ground, and loose soil conditions. The TK4 also boasts a stronger front axle compared to standard tractors. This allows it to handle additional weight from heavy front implements often used for hillside applications. The autonomous 8R tractor is a groundbreaking innovation in agriculture by John Deere. It's essentially a self-driving version of their popular 8R tractor series, designed for tillage operations in large fields. This tractor allows farmers to automate repetitive tasks like tillage, freeing them up to focus on other aspects of their operation. The tractor utilizes a combination of GPS, advanced cameras, and sensors to precisely navigate the field, ensuring accurate operation and avoiding obstacles. Farmers can monitor and control the tractor remotely via a mobile app, keeping track of progress, making adjustments, and initiating or stopping operation. The 6090 hydraulic excavator is a massive machine built by Caterpillar, specifically designed for high production mining operations. With an operating weight exceeding 446 tons, the 6090 is a true giant. This immense weight provides exceptional stability when working on uneven or challenging terrain. The 6090 features twin Tier 4 final non-DEF Cummins QSK60 diesel engines, delivering exceptional power and performance for demanding digging and loading tasks. The RMW 1500 machine is a ballast cleaning machine specifically designed for railway track maintenance. Its primary function is to clean the ballast bed, which is the layer of crushed stone beneath the railroad ties that provides drainage, support, and stability for the tracks. Over time, this ballast gets fouled with dirt, debris, and worn-out material, compromising its effectiveness. The RMW 1500 utilizes a multi-stage screening system, typically with 3 screens and multiple trays. This system separates the usable ballast from dirt, debris, and undersized particles. This has been Mighty Machines, and we hope you learned a thing or two. Before you leave, please don't forget to show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we have new uploads.